Hello friends, and welcome to another episode of question solving for the assistant auditor recruitment test. Today I will do the questions 81 to 100. So if you go to the question number 81, we see that which act under the British government introduced the dual government system in India. The answer will be Pitt's India Act 1784. Pitt's India Act 1784 will be the answer. Question number 82. When was the Battle of Saraighat fought? The Battle of Saraighat was fought in 1671. It was a naval battle fought in 1671 between the Mughal Empire and the Ahom Kingdom, led by the famous Lachit Borphukan. And the Ahoms were victorious because they could retake Guwahati from the Mughals. Question number 83. Who was the first governor of Arunachal Pradesh? The first governor of Arunachal Pradesh was Bhishma Narayan Singh. Question number 84. Which artist won the Artist of the Year in Grammy Awards this year? The answer will be Billie Eilish. And Billie Eilish became the second artist in history to sweep the big four categories: Album of the Year, Record of the Year, Song of the Year and Best New Artist. At age 19, she owns 7 Grammys. Question number 85. Who is the current chairman of the Election Commission of India? Arvind Saxena, Sunil Arora, Rajiv Maharishi and R.K. Shukla. When the question was asked, the election commissioner was Sunil Arora, but currently the election commissioner is Mr. Sushil Chandra. So the correct answer, if it is asked now, will be Mr. Sushil Chandra. Question number 86. Nand Kumar Sai is the chairman of which of the following bodies? Nand Kumar Sai is the chairman of the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. Question number 87. What is the score of Arunachal Pradesh in the India Innovation Index 2020 for Northeastern and Hill States? The answer is 14.90. It is below Assam 16.38, Sikkim is 20.28 and Mizoram is 16.93. Arunachal Pradesh could become India's leading producer for which of the following chemical metals? The answer is vanadium, because a few months ago Geological Survey of India found promising concentration of vanadium in the Paleoproterozoic carbonaceous phyllite rocks of Dipo and Tamang area of Papumpare district. So the correct answer is vanadium. Question number 89. Colonel Bhikkhu Malla Santosh Babu was awarded with which award posthumously? He was awarded with the Mahavir Chakra, and he is also known as the Galwan hero. In the recent Galwan skirmish with China, he has played a major part, for which he was given the Mahavir Chakra award. Question number 90. What is the ceiling for the urgent capital acquisition case for the armed forces as entrusted by the DAC? The answer of this question is 300 crores. Question number 91. On which day is the International Day of Non-Violence observed? The International Day of Non-Violence is observed on 2nd October. That is Gandhi Jayanti. Question number 92. What is India's position in Global Terrorism Index 2020? The answer is 8th position. India's position is number 8. Question number 93. What is the full form of CBDT? The answer will be Central Board of Direct Taxes. Question number 94. Which of the following mobile applications provides a single platform for all Indian citizens to access PAN e-government services? The answer will be UMANG, also known as Umang. In this Umang, it is a common platform for accessing all the e-government services. It may be bill payment, it may start from bill payment to vaccination for corona, or it may be your other activities such as LPG cylinders acquisitions, or many other things which are involved in day-to-day activities of the common man. Question number 95. In 2021-22, which of the following companies will be launched as a part of government strategy towards disinvestment? The answer will be Shipping Corporation of India. The Indian government has decided 1.75 lakh crore rupees disinvestment in the Shipping Corporation of India. That means slowly and slowly the SCI, Shipping Corporation of India, will be privatized. 96. Which cricketer was awarded the ICC Spirit of Cricket Award of the decade? The answer is Mr. MS Dhoni, because of his decision to recall Ian Bell after a controversial run out in the 2011 Nottingham Test between India and England. Question number 97. Who won the Nobel Prize for Literature Award in 2020? It is Louis Gluck. Question number 98. Senior scientist Hemant Kumar Pandey was awarded the DRDO Scientist of the Year award for his contribution in which field of science? The answer is medicine, because he has prepared a drug called Leucoskin for the treatment of leukoderma and vitiligo. Question number 99. The Arunachal Pradesh government has dedicated the year 2021 as the year of education. And the last question, what is the position of India in the Climate Change Performance Index 2021? The answer is 10th position. Sweden comes at 4th, United Kingdom at 5th, and Denmark comes at 6th. There is no first, second and third in this category because no country has performed very well enough in all the categories to achieve an overall very high rating, and hence the first, second and third positions remain empty. Thank you very much. I will be shortly available with the next paper. So keep in touch, and if you have any doubts, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you.